business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? You already know, it's your boy B, back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys already don't know, okay, if you already don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If you already know who I am, thank you guys for watching, tuning in, spending a couple minutes with me. It means a lot, guys. So today we are going to be doing an order, and I'm going to be doing an order for Zach. Okay, so Zach, I owe you this video. The reason I owe you this video is because you support me, and I appreciate it. Okay, if you guys don't know already, I have a website, imhustlersmindset.com. This website is geared to helping people get another income. It's geared to entrepreneurs. I also have a community called Hustlers. Well, it's really called Educated Hustler community, but it's really for hustlers only. And it is a community on Discord. The link is below. It's right under join the community. Check it out, guys. It is a community where you'll be able to network with other entrepreneurs, have talks, ask questions, whatever it is, whether it's flipping electronics, flipping phones, any other different type of business. We have special guests. All of that is going to keep growing. I'm going to keep renovating it. I'm going to keep building it up. It's nothing going to stop us, guys. It's a whole bunch of like-minded individuals just getting together and becoming 1% better every single day. And guys, I know you can do it. All right, I know you can do it. I know you got it in you. It's just all about making it happen, guys. Making it happen and not having excuses, okay? We don't want to have any excuses. We only have time to get it done, okay? So, number one, Zach ordered a wholesale product box, of course. And if you don't know what a wholesale product box is, it's a box full of electronics that I send you with trending electronics. Now, we ain't talking about no Team U stuff, okay? We talking about real quality electronics that are gonna help you make money and help you in this second income. Now, let me tell you the different opportunities you have with this wholesale product box. This wholesale product box, you can sell it online on any app. All right, any app, no copyright issues, no restrictions. Things are not going to be taken down because these are not products that are Apple, Samsung, or even Google, whatever. No JBLs, none of that. But we did just put speakers on there, so I'm just letting y'all know we put speakers on there that back up. We were sold out of speakers for so long because people would just buy them literally like this, like hotcakes. But I'm gonna be doing more speaker videos teaching you how to make money with speakers, because speakers do make money as well. Nevertheless, that's what a wholesale product box is. It's a box full of electronics that you guys can sell and not have an issue. You can sell them online. You can also sell them in person. It's the summertime, okay? It's nice, warm outside, guys. Why can't you go to a flea market? Why can't you have a pop-up shop? I just shot a video, it's my Team U video, where I unbox electronics that I ordered from Team U. We went to an event, guys, and there's so many people that are selling electronics, coffee mugs, paintings, portraits, tree trunks, anything, right? Why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? Why can't you get up off your butt, right? Stop being comfortable and actually start to look into another income stream so that you can be more structured, number one, create structure and discipline, number two, but also so you can have freedom. All right, who wants to know, hey, I gotta get up at 6 o'clock in the morning because then I gotta go and eat at 6:30, then I gotta go get in the shower at 7, then I gotta get in the car at 7:30, then I gotta be at work at 8 o'clock, then I gotta leave work at 9 p.m., then I gotta go walk in the house, eat some dinner, go upstairs, go to my daughter's room, she's already asleep, I wasn't able to see her, give her a kiss, get into bed, and then repeat. Who wants to deal with that? Right? Who wants to deal with that? Who doesn't want a little bit of freedom? Now, I'm not promising you the wholesale box is going to give you a whole bunch of freedom where you don't have to work and you can just sit there with your daughter watching Blue's Clues all day. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is it's a start. Okay, it's a start. You get 42 products. 42 products for only $150. That is really pricing each product at $3.50. $3.50. You get charging accessories, you get wireless portable chargers, you got battery cases, you also get cases, you get what else? Car mounts, you get speakers, AirPods, everything in this product box. Guys, go tune in, check out the product box, link is below. I'm not telling you guys this because I think it's something that's just gonna benefit me or I wanna sell you a dream. I'm literally a YouTuber that's sitting there giving you guys solutions, not just problems. I'm not saying, hey guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to make $1 million, okay? All you have to do is watch these ads and make sure that you connect your account to Stripe and then watch the money roll in. And then never show you any proof. Or they show you fabricated proof, or they show you proof, they show you it's working for them, but it's not guaranteed to work for you. It's never guaranteed to work for you. Nothing, okay, I repeat, is guaranteed. But one thing I would say about the product box is this is a box that has tangible assets. Tangible assets. So my guy Zach and everybody that has ordered the product box and continues to order them, because I have people that order them every week, because it gets you money and it's a residual income. Once you start the ball and the ball starts rolling, you're going to continue to make this money, guys. But back to what I was saying, I have people that are actually sitting here making this money because they are investing in assets. I'm not actually investing in a course. I do have phone flipping courses and electronic flipping courses, and I'm also going to be dropping another course this week. But this ain't a course. This is not a course. These are tangible assets that you're consuming. So whether you get a check every week or you get a check every other week, you need to be putting some money out of that check into more assets, okay? That's how people with wealth make more wealth, make more money, okay? It's not about sitting on your money and saving it. If you're saving money, you're doing something wrong. Every successful person I know never saves their money, because if I got some type of profit coming in, I want to make that money more money. I don't want to just sit there and let that money sit like it's going to sit in the bank and it's just going to automatically quadruple and double and make something work. Okay, we got to make the money work for us, okay? And I know you guys can do it. So let's go and let's go pack up Zach's product box. I'll see you guys downstairs. All right, guys, so right now I'm going to be packing this box. We've sold a total of, I believe it is either 54 or 59 boxes this month, which is a really good amount, and I am happy to say I've continued to get positive results and feedback. Besides one where a guy, he went in his product box the next day, we don't offer next day shipping, guys, because when you ship, there's no guarantee we'll be able to get to the post office immediately to be able to send you package, okay? But guys, I do want to share with you a success story that I got recently. I just pulled it up not too long ago, and it's basically this is somebody that is actually in our community as well. If you want to be in the community, make sure you click that link below. All right, guys, it says join the community. It is our Discord full of entrepreneurs, people that want to make money, like-minded individuals just like yourself. If you want to become better every single day, you want to surround yourself around like-minded individuals, people that want and have the same goals just as you. This one is going to say, hey hustler. Everybody calls me hustler, which is really interesting, and I've gained the notoriety of being called Educated Hustler, which honestly I can give you guys a whole spiel on why I call myself that. But it says, hey hustler, thank you for the box. I got it on the 20th and I sold everything last night. Okay, so that's 6 days. Cool. I got back $465, so $465. I will be getting another one. Thank you so much. All right, so I replied and told him, man, good job, I'm proud of you. But here's the thing, right? When it comes to this product box, guys, it's not about really making the income. I'm gonna tell you something. Any income is great income, okay? Any income is great income. What it really is about you really starting another stream. It's starting something, gaining some type of assets, right? How many things do we buy on a daily that we consume right away, or that perish, or that don't bring us any type of value? Only the value that we see in our eyes. But when I say value, I'm talking about something that you can get, right? Like a phone. You can get this phone and you see that you might not have no value for this phone in this case. I may like this case. This case may have some sentimental value to me, right? But if I take this phone out of this case, This phone now is universal and people are going to want to buy it because it is the iPhone 14. Now, will people want to buy it while it's in this case? Of course. Why wouldn't they, right? Because it's still an iPhone 14, but this case gives this phone a little bit more sentimental value to me because I may have got this case from a deceased relative or whatever. So understand that the value that you have for certain things that you do invest in is cool and it's validated, right, by you. But the value of other items is really depending on what other consumers valued it as. So when it comes to the product box, you want to keep having assets that are gaining value from others, not just yourself. That's what the product box is about. It's about you actually getting these products so you have assets so you can now make money. All right, Zach, so I'm gonna hook you up with the HDMI cord, the light up HDMI cord. People know I like that. I'm also gonna hook you up with portable power bank, right? I'm gonna hook you up with these headphones. These are Type-C headphones, okay? These headphones sell really, really good on MERCARI. And of course, we're gonna hook you up with 3 iPhone headphones. These are the original iPhone headphones. You will be surprised by how many orders you get on eBay with these. I would sell these on eBay because on eBay, a lot of businesses still have these when they do their conference calls on Microsoft Teams, I believe it is. And also when you are using Zoom, using Zoom. So a lot of businesses order those. Then I'm gonna give you 20 pieces of the Type-C, the lightning cables, all right? 20 pieces, all right? 20 of them, all right? You got this. Then the USB to lightning, I'll give you 20 of those too, okay? Now, we're also going to do, I'll do 2 6-foot cables, okay? Then I am going to do, I'll do 4 20-watt power adapters. Then we're gonna have a speaker put in here for you as well. I want you to try this as well. This sells really good on any platform. This is going to be a MacBook charger. I'm telling you right now, you can sell these for about $30, $40. We got the MagSafe charger, of course, the MagSafe charger. These sell well. Definitely want you to get that. And then we're gonna give you the Apple Watch, one of the screen protectors for the Apple Watch. This particular one is for the 41 millimeter. I don't know why this camera's so blurry. 41 millimeter. Oh, let me check this camera. And then we're gonna hook you up with this camera lens protector. So this is a camera lens protector for the 13 Pro Max. These sell as well because people don't want their cameras to get messed up. And you know what? I'm throwing in AirPods, y'all. I'm throwing in AirPods. Throwing in the AirPods, guys. So you can actually sample those too. All right, so that's the product box. We're gonna box this up and you're gonna get this today. We are now in the car about to head to get the kids, and I got to drop off more packages. So I will be dropping off more packages, including the product boxes. So they will be shipping out today and getting to people in 1 to 2 days. I do not like the fact that you just put your packages right by the door where people could just run and take your packages and leave. But that's the only option they have, so we dropped off that package. Guys, I hate the fact that some packages have to ship with UPS and some USPS, but I'll explain why later. But yes, we're about to now make the rest of the drops. Okay, so their system is down. That is a problem. It's always something, y'all. I cannot stress to you how it's always something. Every single time. Now I gotta, oh my God, it's always something. So, and it's the one package I really need to get out too. So I'm going to figure that out. Their system is down. I gotta make an appointment so we can get a passport, which is crazy because I've heard people just come in. I heard people just go into the post office and get applications and then fill them out. But she's talking about I need an application plus an appointment. It's just, it's okay. You know, I'll handle it a whole different way. So I'm just going to instead print out a shipping label in the house, do it that way. I'm gonna just do it online, which I should have already did. So I should have just not thought, well, I mean, it's not my fault, but at the end of the day, I'll just go and make sure that I do that shipment that I couldn't ship out. I'll do that instead via the website, because it'll be easier. I should have just did that. I don't know why I didn't do it, but I'll do it, because you could do it through Shopify as well. You can create shipping labels. I don't know why I didn't do that. I just felt like I could just go inside and just be a regular citizen of the United States of America. But, you know, the government system is down and we pay taxes. So I sort of don't understand. But it is what it is. So as I go online, guys, I am now looking to schedule passport appointments. So that's what I'm doing now. So my main focus is trying to get a passport so that we can travel, right? But it just honestly seems like it's going to be more difficult than I anticipated, because the only appointment they got, the only appointments they got is on the 24th of July. And that's a little bit, but we'll make it do. We'll make it do. All right, we got Paris in the building. Came from his grandma's. How was it?
Good.
Okay. So we're in here so we can get Hustle his bones, and then we are out. See the bones? You see the bones?
Yeah.
Not those ones. Get the other ones. Yeah.
You like these
I don't know.
guys?
I feel like these may last longer. Let me see something. Let me see the packaging on that one. All right, we got the bones.